Hey guys, so here I have my 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD 4x4 Off-Road in the magnetic gray metallic color. And pretty much what we're going to be doing is blacking out some of the emblems and adding some TRD Off-Road Pro badges on the side. And pretty much what you can do is, if this is something that you've been considering for a while now, you can go ahead and see how it looks on my Tacoma, and if you have that similar color, you can contrast what you have it as mine is currently stock, and we can go ahead and see what that would look like on yours once you add this blacked out emblems and badges to yours. So let's get right into it, guys. Alright guys, so for starters we have the 3 blacked out matte black emblems that you would go ahead and put over your current chrome stock emblems. And pretty much, you know, they have the adhesive in the back, they just go over, and you don't have to worry about removing any of the chrome emblems that you have and damaging any of your paint. And I got these off of eBay. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below. But pretty much they're pretty simple and just smooth matte black finishes on those. Alright, and next we have the push to start TRD button. These would replace your stock black just start, stop, push to start buttons. And we also have the TRD Off-Road Pro badges that you would add to your truck. I got these off of the Tacoma Beast channel website, so I'll go ahead and put his link in the description below. It's a fairly popular channel that I'm sure some of you have heard about, but they look really nice, and they also come with adhesive that you just can go ahead and put over your current paint. You don't have to worry about doing anything else like that. Alright, so I went ahead and taped it off. That's where it'll go, right in that corner. It's according to the TRD Pro specifications, about going down from the line right here and at the edge of the door. So we'll get started and go ahead and stick that on there. Alright, so we have it measured out there to specifications. We're gonna let it go ahead and just stick for a little bit before I feel fully comfortable driving or moving the truck in any way just yet. Alright guys, so here we go. Completely done with the badges. Try to get some shots so you guys can see how they look from a distance also. It really adds that nice accent color, especially red, favorite color. I think they look really nice, and then you could see the blacked out matte black emblems there as well. Go ahead and check the other side. So you can see it really does make a difference, and I do think it's worth it. Alright guys, and last thing that we'll be doing is switching out the stock press to start button. As you can see, it's just a matte black with a transparent white lettering, and we'll be switching that out with the red also transparent TRD start stop push to start button as well. And it comes with the tool, so it should be fairly quick. Let's see how this looks after. Alright, so just go ahead and remove that chrome ring around it. I used a flathead. Came off fairly easy, just be gentle with it. And now we should use the included tool to go ahead and try to remove the push to start button. Alright, and there you go. Look, popped off pretty easily with that tool, and you can see the transparent light when the car is on. And now we're going to go ahead and just insert this button in there. It should be pretty easy, and go ahead and put the chrome ring back on top just to seal it off. You can see That accent color looks really nice, and with the blue transparent backlight, it really looks really nice and stands out just as much, so I'd really recommend that. Sooner or later I'm gonna go ahead and use that chrome delete kit and delete all of these chrome finishings on the AC vents and anything else, but as for right now, I really recommend that color and the font as well. Alright guys, and there we go. Finished off the TRD Push to Start button, went ahead and did the badge right here and the blackout emblem as well. So overall, I really recommend this. Didn't take too long, just an hour out of your evening, but overall I'd recommend this for sure. If you went ahead and thought this video was useful, please go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. But if you want to go ahead and stick around and subscribe for any future content, please go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys around. Thanks everyone.